Uma jovem trabalha com afinco abrindo uma grande ostra na beira do rio. Ela revela a força da tradição com cada gesto. Mãos habilidosas selecionam pérolas vibrantes com precisão. Cada movimento cuidadoso exala profundo respeito pela rica natureza. Em cada toque, a tradição ganha vida. A jovem caminha com uma cesta refletindo serenidade após a colheita. Seu olhar transmite paz e determinação na beleza natural ao redor. Uma mulher com cesta explora suavemente a margem do rio. Seu passo é firme e silencioso, e a natureza sorri em silêncio. Ela adentra o rio com determinação, buscando conchas e pérolas escondidas. A natureza a acolhe com serenidade e um ritual antigo se repete. Num rio ladeado por verde intenso, ela procura sinais de tradição. Cada passo ecoa a cultura antiga e a natureza testemunha sua jornada. Com habilidade tradicional, ela recolhe grandes conchas tomando cuidado em cada gesto. A prática milenar a inspira e sua arte fala sem palavras. Detalhes intensos mostram mãos abrindo conchas com precisão. Uma borboleta pousa, revelando a beleza da vida, e o ritual se torna poético. Um close revela pérolas rosadas com um brilho singular. Cada extração é um segredo revelado pela tradição, enquanto o rio observa silenciosamente. Ela examina conchas vazias com sentimento de realização. O olhar revela a história de um trabalho dedicado, ecoando sabedoria ancestral. No coração da atividade, ela se ajoelha e abre uma concha repleta de desafios. O gesto ecoa a tradição e um ritual sagrado se repete. Detalhes íntimos capturam as mãos que seguram pérolas recém-colhidas. Cada toque revela a memória ancestral e a cultura vive em silêncio. Ela alterna entre close-ups e planos amplos, exibindo minuciosamente o cenário natural e seu labor. A arte é contemplada e um tributo silencioso se manifesta. Com foco extremo, instrumentos de metal desvendam mistérios das conchas. A precisão ressalta o valor da herança e um legado eterno floresce. Satisfação ilumina seu rosto ao revelar um aglomerado de pérolas em tecido de concha. O sorriso é silencioso e a conquista ecoa a tradição. No momento íntimo, ela ajoelha-se, abrindo conchas com delicadeza e coragem. Esse gesto honra os ancestrais e a tradição vive em seu toque. Com grande habilidade, ela extrai diversas pérolas alaranjadas, celebrando a abundância encontrada. O ritual se repete com fervor e a cultura floresce em silêncio. Determinação e técnica caminham juntas enquanto ela usa uma faca para abrir conchas. Com precisão, a busca continua implacável e o ritual persegue seu destino. Close-up revela mãos pacientes extraindo pérolas laranjas com habilidade de antigas gerações. Cada gesto é um legado vivo e o tempo abençoa sua arte. Com dedicação, ela coleta inúmeras pérolas, cada uma contando uma história de luta. E conquista pelo esforço ambiental se revela e uma tradição que ecoa no tempo. A rotina se revela na singular beleza de abrir conchas e colher pérolas alaranjadas com firmeza. A tradição permanece e um ciclo eterno celebra a natureza. Nos momentos finais, ela se mostra imersa na contemplação. Seus gestos silenciam a sabedoria ancestral do rio e a natureza canta sua lenda. Embarking on a peaceful journey, she explores a lush stream with quiet curiosity, starting an adventurous quest for hidden treasures. On the riverbank, she carefully opens collected clams, revealing nature's secret promise and igniting a spark of anticipation within her spirit. In a stunning discovery, vibrant blue pearls emerge from the opened clams, filling her hands with nature's shimmering, unexpected treasures. With focused determination, she extracts additional blue pearls from another clam, continuing her deliberate pursuit of nature's hidden gems. Joy radiates as she proudly displays a handful of striking blue pearls, marking a triumphant moment in her nature-bound journey. Kneeling by a rocky stream, she gently opens a large clamshell, unveiling the magic of fresh blue pearls in nature. Focused on the task, she skillfully wields a knife to extract the vivid blue pearls, mastering nature's art of treasure recovery. Her skilled hands gently gather clusters of blue pearls from the clam's interior, showcasing the meticulous process of natural discovery. A captivating close-up reveals her delicate hands as they efficiently extract vivid blue pearls from the soft tissue of a clam shell. Triumph swells as she celebrates, displaying a large collection of blue pearls gathered from clams, a testament to her adventurous spirit. In an intimate close-up, attentive hands delicately extract vibrant blue pearls, illuminating nature's enchanting ritual of discovery. Her focused journey continues as she diligently collects each shining pearl at the riverbank, tracing nature's secret art. Patient and composed, she extracts more luminous blue pearls amid lush riverside vegetation, embracing the rhythm of nature's bounty. Completing her remarkable journey, she gathers a bountiful collection of blue pearls, rinsing them in the river while reflecting on her adventure. Wandering along a gentle river, a determined explorer searches patiently for mysterious hidden treasures in nature's embrace. With anticipation, a youthful figure opens a grand clam, revealing nature's secret blue treasures amid flowing waters. The scene unfolds as careful hands prepare clams along the riverbank, setting the stage for nature's reveal. Methodically, the determined forager opens multiple clamshells, gracefully and quietly inviting the mystique of hidden natural wonders. A close-up reveals skilled hands slicing clam tissue, uncovering extra layers of nature's prized secret blue pearls. Joy radiates as focused eyes unveil rare blue pearls, innately igniting wonder and excitement in nature's laboratory. A calm expert examines precious pearls while immersed in riverbank serenity, embodying nature's artful bounty with grace. Focused diligence shows as a resolute seeker combs clam interiors, unveiling nature's deeply held secrets with passion. Abundance emerges as numerous blue pearls glisten, celebrating nature's unexpected treasures in a perfect moment under sunlight. With practiced precision, skillful hands open clamshells and gracefully sort exquisite pearls amidst nature's rhythmic flow. Pride fills the air as a triumphant soul displays an abundant collection of rare blue pearls vividly. A focused young woman, kneeling by the riverbank, meticulously harvests nature's shimmering blue treasures with quiet determination. Through intimate close-ups, skilled hands extract brilliant blue pearls, illuminating the hidden marvels of nature with care. Gentle displays capture assembled collections as nature's bounty unfolds gracefully in harmonious rhythmic sequences with subtle charm. Observing every detail, a dedicated forager sorts vivid blue pearls, embracing nature's intricate artistry with patient precision. A vibrant young spirit extracts luminous pearls from large clamshells, celebrating nature's rare gift with joy. Concentrated effort unfolds as another seeker collects and examines each dazzling blue pearl meticulously with careful precision. An extreme close-up captures dedicated hands meticulously extracting blue pearls from within a clam's secret interior gently. An intimate extreme close-up reveals shiny blue pearls emerging, each a glistening marvel within nature's hidden sanctuary. In a final flourish, skilled hands gather the last pearls, completing a triumphant nature's masterpiece with reverence. A steady focus reveals a young woman extracting large, lustrous pearls, epitomizing nature's deliberate artistry with diligence. Graceful motions depict a young woman opening clamshells, each movement unveiling nature's intricate, hidden brilliance profoundly. A precise macro close-up captures focused hands searching, revealing a partially hidden blue pearl amidst clam interiors. An extraordinary extreme close-up presents an overwhelming abundance of radiant blue pearls, captivating every curious glance profoundly. With triumphant spirit, a young woman displays her gathered blue pearls, celebrating a journey of nature's discovery. In a tranquil riverbank, a committed harvester embarks on a journey to unearth nature's secret treasures hidden beneath calm waters. A focused moment captures skilled hands placing a prized clam into a basket, marking a vital step in nature's ritual. Moving gracefully along the shallow river, her pink waders hint at determination while uncovering hidden clams beneath the water's surface. Focused in her craft, She calmly alternates between inspecting each clam and submerging into the underwater world with mindful precision. Emerging from the water with a basket brimming with clams, her eyes reveal quiet satisfaction and accomplishment and inner pride. In precise movements, she employs a knife to open clam shells, emphasizing both technique and nature's timeless artistry with care. Detailed close-ups capture careful extraction as she reveals the soft mystery hidden within each clamshell on the muddy bank. An unexpected discovery unfolds as she finds stunning red and green pearls, igniting a spark of wonder and delight instantly. Her focused diligence continues as she skillfully uses a knife to harvest more radiant pearls along the gentle riverbank steadily. A delicate hand cradles a brilliant red pearl, surrounded by an ensemble of colorful treasures waiting to inspire wonder profoundly. Kneeling by the riverbank, she meticulously extracts green and pink pearls, unfolding hidden beauty with every tender move with grace. With focused determination, her practiced hands reveal vibrant pearls through methodical clamshell openings, symbolizing nature's unfolding magic and harmony. Arrayed beautifully on a tray, the freshly harvested vibrant pearls celebrate nature's abundant generosity and quiet artistry with deep wonder. In an intimate close-up, skilled hands extract luminous pearls from a clamshell, defying the murkiness with resilient beauty profoundly. Sitting proudly, she displays her exquisite harvest on a tray, each pearl reflecting a hard-earned triumph with unwavering, quiet dignity. Focused yet gentle, the young harvester unveils nature's secrets by opening clamshells to reveal radiant, multi-hued treasures with care. Intensely focused, her careful fingers gather an abundant collection of vibrant green and purple pearls with awe beyond all expectations. Methodically, she arranges the freshly gathered pearls onto a plate, showcasing order and pride in her diligent work with passion. With calm resolve, she carefully sorts empty shells and plates brimming with pearls, marking the end of a fruitful day. Undeterred, she persistently extracts an ever-growing collection of vivid pearls, embodying determination and unwavering focus with relentless, steady passion now. In a striking display, delicate hands extract a multitude of vibrant pearls from a giant clamshell with careful artistry. In the final meticulous act, hands sort and gather shiny pearls, encapsulating nature's enduring enchantment and triumph in harvest profoundly.